Based on what I just showed you in example 1, I'd like for you to go ahead and try example 2. Pause the video, give it a try, and then come back here to check your work. Let's go ahead and walk through this example. The first thing that I notice is that this is not in standard form. That 40x needs to be brought over to the left-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 40x from both sides, and then I can rewrite my equation in standard form. 5x squared minus 40x plus 60 is equal to 0. I notice that I have a greatest common factor, a GCF of 5, so I'm going to divide that on each of these terms to pull it out to the front, leaving me with x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. From here, I can go ahead and set up my x puzzle. This is my a, b, and c value. Remember that this is a times c, and this is b. So a times c is 1 times 12, or 12. B is negative 8. So I'm looking for factors that multiply to be 12, positive 12, that add to be negative 8. The only way that that can happen and add to negative 8 while still multiplying to a positive 12 is if both factors are negative. So I'm going to work through my factors: negative 1, negative 12, negative 2, negative 6, negative 3, negative 4. And I recognize that my negative 2 and negative 6 are the factors that solve the x puzzle. So let's place those in our box here and here, along with our ax squared term and our c term. Then it's just a matter of taking the greatest common factor for each row and each column. The GCF for x squared and a negative 6x is x. For negative 2x and 12 is negative 2. Remember that the negative has to come out because it's right next to where we're writing. And then x squared and negative 2x is an x. Negative 6x and 12, again with the negative, I need a negative 6. I can write my factored form of my equation over here. So don't forget the 5. It does end up going away in the next step, but don't forget to write it. And then I have x minus 2 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. I can divide the 5 on both sides so that I can get rid of it. It's going to go to 1 on this side, and 0 divided by 5 leaves me 0 on the other side. Now I take my two pieces, and using the zero product property, I set them equal to 0. X minus 2 equals 0, x minus 6 equals 0, and solving my two little algebra equations, I get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 6.